3 little kittens.
3 little what?
You finished eating your Cocoa Crunch. Oh, it's just milk.
It's just milk.
Yes.
Not that Cocoa Crunch.
Because
I eat the Cocoa Crunch.
you ate the Cocoa Crunch.
Yes.
You used past tense.
I spust them.
I said you ate. I ate the Cocoa Crunch.
I ate the Cocoa Crunch. Sorry, Sunny. My tummy is scaring.
Your tummy is so big now.
But the volcano one have what smoke? It's the volcano is big. You know the volcano of
Volcano.
volcanoes.
Not volcano.
One
Volcano.
have volcanoes.
Hey.
The volcano is sending to us one have but smoke. But smokes are there. You know the but smoke of the volcano?
Say bye-bye.
Say bye. Where's my tita?
I don't know. She went out. You say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye bye, camera.
Flying kiss.
I forgot to milk.
You forgot to drink milk.
Oops. There's another light. There's another light.
Don't cover the camera. What's wrong with your eyes? Are you full?
Sorry.
Why are you sorry?
Oops, sorry.
Why are you sorry?
Sorry.
Why?
Sorry. I said they're not full.
I meant your tummy. Is it full?
Yes.
Full of what?
Full up food.
Oh, what kind of food? Don't eat the spoon. What kind
Cocoa
of
Crunch.
Cocoa Crunch only? What else?
Oops. There's another way. Take on the Cocoa Crunch. There's the another Cocoa Crunch.